Hi, I'm Helena. I live in Varese, Italy, and I'm the owner of Julia Quinn. I make bags, purses and wallets in medieval and steampunk styles. My name, Ilea, is inspired by Helena Augusta, a woman in the year 1300 of low social status, who married a Roman emperor and became queen. According to legend, Helena was a daughter of the King of Britannia, so she was related to the English royal court, mother of Constantine, founder of Constantinople in the Byzantine period. Helena converted into Christianity and today is remembered as Saint Helena Empress. This is also why there is a similarity to my volunteer work in communications for the Church of Milan. An outfit can give elegance and dignity to the person. Discover the princess in you. I combine medieval and steampunk style by mixing recycled fabric pieces to give life to my collections that want to express a rebirth from rebel. This is as many other products are available in my Etsy store, link in the description. Click in the heart on the name of the store, you stay updated on news. If you make a purchase in 24 hours, I'll ship it to you. For questions, you can simply write me a message in the private chat of the store and I will answer quickly. Follow my creative sewing tutorial on my YouTube channel. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Also follow me on Instagram, Pinterest, and my local event on Facebook. Visit my website juliaquinn.com because elegance is a way of life.